Hi, coffee lovers. Meet the BeanNest French press coffee maker, designed to bring cafe-quality coffee right to your home. This 34-ounce French press features a sturdy handle and easy press mechanism that anyone can use, whether you're new to brewing or an expert. Crafted with high-quality 304 stainless steel and heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it combines durability with elegant style for your kitchen. Its advanced 4-level filtration system ensures every cup is smooth and free of unwanted coffee grounds. Cleaning is a breeze since all parts are dishwasher-safe, saving you time and effort after brewing. Enjoy the rich aroma and bold flavors of your favorite coffee, blends with family or friends anytime. Brew more, savor every moment, and experience coffee the way it was meant to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.